Can anybody give an answer to my question? Can anybody give an answer to my question? What is a hero? Do you have to die to be a hero? Tumisafiri Matsikatire is a hero, our national hero. Yes, I remember some lyrics from his songs. Andins we that's a hero. What a hero.